to yet another live with me at P4Spire. This channel we're going to be talking a lot about tokens that are listing, uh, valuable tokens and the like, and we're going to talk more about project Mecca, and we're going to which is also having the MEA token, yes, yeah, which is powered by the MEA token. Let's put it like that. Yeah. So yeah. So welcome once again. Like I always say in my other lives, that if you're joining this live from wherever you're joining, please always make sure to represent your country. It's very important. In the comment section, your flag, drop your country flag. It's very important, guys. And then also, you can also go and drop a positive comment. Let's keep supporting Project Mecca this way. You can see the project has a lot for us in store, and this cannot be overemphasized. So yeah, without further ado, I will be jumping right into the live. I just had to quickly attend to something. Just give me about 2 minutes. Let me prepare my slides. I think, should I use slides? Yeah. So 2 minutes. So yes, guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah. So let me set my. So yeah, how we all doing? I just had to ask about our well-being. Hope we are doing quite all right. Hope we are doing well. Yes. So let's jump right into this video. If you're joining from our community, Mecca community, if you're joining from Mecca community, always do well to leave a comment in the comment section. Let's support this. Let's support this dream of Mecca project. So leave your comment, a positive one, in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys, and also drop your country flag. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So let's the last trade. Let me quickly show you guys. I told you guys I was going to ride that trade. I think I left it. I let it. I've not left the market. I've not outed the market, and it did exactly as I said. Not really exact, but yeah, it was close to my analysis and prediction. This we added 1 or 2 candles extra, and you see it's still going towards it's trying to build structure at the moment. If you see it in the 15-minute frame, you see that yes, it's trying to. We're kind of still bullish, and yeah. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry, what just happened? Okay. Sorry guys. Yeah, sorry guys for that brief interruption. Yeah, so let's get back to what I was saying. I don't want to waste much of our time on this live. I just wanted to come on this live and show you what I saw in the trade. So I still left that hold in that position, guys. Like I told you, I was going to. Initially, I said I was going to out the market, but I had a second thought and had to leave the trade to be going. And actually, you can see the trade is quite doing okay. It's not doing bad at all. Yeah, it's doing well, alright. So yeah, I think we're still going to leave it because I think it's trying to mitigate, trying to balance from this part. It's trying to find balance, trying to get an equilibrium. Let's call it that. So yeah, so I think that's what the market is trying to do at this point. Uh, yeah. So for those of you that were on the trade with me, please, I think still I've not gotten some of your response. I think I will still be needing your response on as to whether why you give a contrary opinion to why it should be a buy or a sell. What do you think? I want this segment to always be interactive. I want to build the other traders, other insightful traders like myself. So yes, I like to get, I like to connect, I like to uh, build, I like to learn. That way we can learn from myself and I learn from you. Yes. So while we are leaving this trade, let's leave this trade to keep going because that's what's actually going to happen. See, it's giving us, it's promising us as bullish, at least since that the bulls have gotten into the market, and let's just see what they have, what the next move is going to be. If you are a newbie in trading, just and you're kind of scared here and there, you can just place a stop loss and a TP. I I believe in the MEA token, the MEA token. That's why I didn't place much of a stop loss or TP. You might be wondering why I did not place it. Yeah. Or if it were to be like a very high volatility, volatile token pairs. If you're talking in the forex terms, like Gizal USD, something like that, you have to place your TP because that market is very volatile. You said you can, if you're a trader, you have to agree. You sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my voice. Sorry that. Yeah, so if you're a trader, probably in Zao USD, let's use FX for instance, you dare not have a TP or SL because you're going to cry. Might run into huge losses. But that's by the way. So yeah, a little insight about Project Mecca. Little insight. One thing you should know about Project Mecca is that, like always say this, is that Project Mecca is more like building a Web3 ecosystem for us. That's I I want to break. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my voice. Sorry, I just have to take a break. Sorry, guys, I have to take a break. So yes, guys, I'm back. I don't know what's wrong with my voice, but I just have to. So yeah, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my voice. Then I don't know. I've been in a lot of seminars as of today, so I think that's what has been wrong with my voice. I've been talking and talking all through the days. A lot of you that are into maybe speaking, like you guys can able to relate with me. What do you guys suggest I take for this? I don't know. But I'm going to just, for the sake of this life, I will just manage it, and I hope I'm audible enough for this life. So yes, as I was saying, a little insight into Project Mecca. Mecca is a Solana-based blockchain that aims to unite shopping, webtoon gamers, digital. artists, be you an NFT artist or whatever within the space, all under an ecosystem. And you know that the powerhouse of this Mecca project is the MEA token. Yeah, I said it in my last live. If you are just joining, I think you should know about this too. I just have to give a little insight. And there's a lot of reasons why Project Mecca is different from other projects. A lot of reasons. One of which is that first off is was it's a Solana-based network, and you and I know what any project listed on Solana are like. It's cost-effective transactions and a whole lot. It empowers creators, be you NFT creator, gamer, whatever you may be within the space, and also it's community driven. That's why it's different from other organic community. I will not stop emphasizing on this. I'm going to keep emphasizing on this because that's actually the truth. Yes, you can't run away from the truth. That's actually the fact. It's all glaring there. And you and I can also agree that factual that a lot of things have happened in the past in the crypto space. You and I saw the crash that happened last time in the crypto space. You saw a lot of move on bigger projects took hits, tokens took hits from Bitcoin. A lot of we saw the retracement that happened in Bitcoin. We saw Solana too took hits, and other projects took the hits. Most of them could not withstand these hits. Most of them faded away. Yeah, and I know a couple of projects, but I'm not going to mention names that faded away. And but the thing that stuck out about Project Mecca is that it still kept its ground. It's still standing. It's still standing despite the crash. It's still standing, guys. So what does it say? It's saying a lot. It's screaming a lot of things about Project Mecca. And if you can agree with me. So yeah, it's still standing strong, it's still building, it's still kept building, it's still consistently and quietly building. And you can agree with me on that because if you go and check for yourself, just see for yourself, it's there. Check out the token, you see. Still standing, we still even at a better market cap for a project like Mecca, 2 million market cap, 2 million plus market cap. It's doing well. It's doing well. You see, and it's already listed on platforms like BingX. It's just in a matter of time before it gets listed on bigger platforms like Bitcoin and Binance, Bybit, and the likes. And if you snooze, you lose. Like they always say, if you snooze, you lose. So why don't you just go hold the MEA token, MEA USDT? Oh, sorry. Yeah, what? Sorry. So why don't you hold the MEA token at this moment? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Man? You can see the progress. It's making a whole lot of progress in the Web3 space. It's revolutionizing the Web3 space. I cannot overemphasize this. I'm gonna keep overemphasizing this. For the moment, Project Mecca is so underrated. It's supposed to be like uh, supposed to be more. It's more than what you guys think it is. And I'm going to keep shedding more light on Project Mecca till a lot of us get its visions and understand it properly. A lot of Project Mecca's believers already know this. They know this, and we are spreading the good news around to people that needs to hear this. So you can agree with me. I'm going to leave this street. I'm still going to leave this street. I'm probably going to ride it off to some maybe into the day, into the night. Yeah, it's already getting it's already in the evenings in this part of my country, so I'm going to leave it. And probably, if it turns out well tomorrow, I'm going to share it on my live stream for you guys to see. Yeah, so yeah, I'll show you live and direct. That's why it's the live. I left that trade and live, and this is what it's doing at this point. I still hope for it to do better, break structure, and form new structures and possibly make new higher highs. Though I lost some money last trade, what was that? Well, I placed a buy and it went against my place in my buy places. So yeah, because of these ranging markets that happened, I didn't know what happened there. If you have a better explanation as to what happened in this ranging market in this consolidation, you can just share in the comment section. I didn't know. So yeah, and those are the things that happens in the crypto space, in the crypto space, in the market space, forex, what have you, whatever trader you might be, a forex trader, crypto trader, whatever trader you may be. So yeah, we're going to keep riding this. So yep. Mhm. So, if you have any questions to ask, you can ask them in the comment section, and still do well to join the community. If you are so confused, so lost, that means you have heard from different mouths, and you don't know what decision to make. You're not becoming so indecisive of what decision to make. Why don't you join the Telegram community and see for yourself? And still get more findings. A lot the informations that you need are in the Telegram community. Then it's now left for you to make decisions. Yes, I'm currently holding the MEA token, and I also suggest you hold. Just hold onto it. Yeah, and it's showing, it's promising to be profitable. Yes, so if you just have maybe a little change, some dollars, some K dollars thereabouts, you want to stake, you can just out of the markets, out of the tokens you are going to hold, you can also put in MEA token into your portfolio and hold it. Yes, yes. If you have other tokens that you want to hold, it's the reason of this alt season to see the one that's going to make that's going to do well. You can just hold in the MEA token. Yes, it's very advisable, guys. So yeah, we're going to ride this trade for a couple of minutes. Let's see what the market is saying. Yeah, they will always maybe in my next live stream, I'm going to show you guys a glimpse of how our community looks like, how the Mecca community looks like on the Telegram one, especially, and show you how organic it is, how interactive it is, how um, purpose driven it is, how value oriented it is. Yes, so I'm going to show you a lot of values there, a lot of values are being expelled there. So if you are not there, you are actually missing out. I'm very big on community growth. I'm very big at community growth. If I see the purpose, I see the value that this community has, I go all in to promote. Currently, before I came onto this live, we were discussing a couple of things in the community. Some of us were just exchanging ideas, basically on about trading, sharing insight as to the type of indicators we use, some of us use, and the one and how it has been benefiting us. That's something to learn. I learned a couple of things from there. I learned, I'm not usually that big on indicators though, but I learned a little bit about the MACD and for those indicator traders, and some talked about the Bulligan band. Wow, I saw a lot of things there, interesting things. I didn't know because I have my trading strategies, and when everybody were just sharing their various trading strategies and what and how it has been working for them, I keyed him and I saw and shared, and I learned a whole lot. And you too can learn too. If you don't know, probably you're a beginner, a novice, you don't know anything about crypto, about Web3, about projects, just join on the Mecca community and you will not regret joining it. Support them. Visions are, I have the visions is clear. It's clear. Visions are authentic. It's real. It's a real one. The Telegram have about 7,000 subscribers on the Telegram, and have a lot of holders. Even if you check the token, you see that there are a lot of holders. You can see that. Mhm. You can also check the X, a lot of followers, yeah, that are gaining insightful lessons from Mecca, that are learning from Mecca, that are growing with Mecca, that are building with the project Mecca. and you are missing out, honestly, if you are not part of this journey, guys. So yeah, I have to say a lot. Probably. So please don't always forget to drop a thumbs up uh, in this live. Drop a follow if you're new to this live stream talking about Project Mecca. And I'm going to be doing another live stream later uh, by this time tomorrow. And if you are going to be if you're going to be active, please let's be active and let's share insightful things. So yes, there are a lot of things, exciting things to know about Mecca. There's a lot of things that excite me. There are a lot of things that excite the Mecca believers a lot, uh, ranging from the NFT. If you get into this space, you see for yourself. You see for yourself, and you choose the one that excites you more. So yes, and once more, let me also use the medium to remind you that you can buy, you can sell, you can stake, you can swap the Mecca token, the MEA token. And also, you should also know that, sorry, just a minute. So you can buy, you can sell the MEA token, and also let's remain reminded that they are also having a stream that's going on Telegram. Sorry, on the Zilly. So yes, if you don't know about Zilly, you can check. The sprint is currently going on Zilly, where you can earn incomes. You can make money, little money. It could be small, but at least it's something to do. It's really something at least. Yeah, you can also make uh, tons of money too. Yes. So let's promote this project. If you are joining from the Telegram, I know that you have a lot to say about Project Mecca. You can also share the good news about Mecca. Share it in the comment section. Let's share this good news. Let's support Project Mecca. And yes, so and that will be it. While we are looking at the trade and waiting, and so if you're new here and probably confused as to what is going on, and like you just came across the life by whatever means, maybe external pages, or you came across it on via the Google Chrome or something. Welcome once again to this live. We are going to be talking about Project Mecca, and it's spelled MECCA. You can see it in the description below, and how Project Mecca is revolutionizing the Web3 community, the Web3 space, and a whole lot. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, so we've talked about it in a previous live. If you have the power, if you have the chance, sorry, you can check out the previous live and learn a thing or two. Yes, I am sure that you can watch all through to this moment and not learn or know one or two things about the project Mecca and its power token, that's the MEA token. So yes, I will. So if you have some insightful things to still talk about NECA, always do well to drop it in the comment section, and we can still discuss it more in our community group. Yes, if you're not in the community and you want to join the community, you are so eager to know what's going on in this community, what's this community that we're talking about, what's this community that I hear about, what's this Mecca community. Just the description is right in my, so the link is right in my description below on the YouTube. Just click on the description, it's going to bring, and you just see and click the descriptions. Yes, so if you still want to make more findings, you still need more insight into Project Mecca, its visions, and what he has in store for us, click the link in the Twitter link, and you will see for yourself. Yeah, so and so we're waiting for this to have a structure. Probably there's no structure now. We don't know if we're still looking for a structure here, probably. So let's wait for the market to do its thing, to do its thing. So I'm looking for is trying to form a new trend at this point. That's in the 15 minutes. It's trying to form a new trend. That's the uptrend because after having been this sold, I think it has formed a new support, um, here. So let's hope this support is strong enough on. A lot of ranges happen, ranging, some call it ranging, some call it consolidation, whatever you choose to call it, in the indecisiveness in the market. At this point, you're not even expected to be trading, you're not expected to be found here. If you made a loss in this point, maybe you traded, and probably you can also share with us your insight. If you made profits, to share your insights in the comment section. Yeah, so I did my last trade here, but actually the market kicked me out. It didn't go as I expected it to go. But that's the things that we see in the crypto space. That's notwithstanding. So yeah, let's check for our, okay, okay, the 4 hour time frame is still well. It's a lot of, okay, yeah, that's my Fibonacci. I was actually using the Fibonacci to check out some things, some happenings in the market. That's my Fibonacci retracement. Maybe in my next live, I'll be talking about how I use my Fibonacci to spot entries, in the trading in the market. Yes. If you're big on Fibonacci retracement, maybe use more of the Fibonacci. You can also share your insight. Let us learn. Let us learn, guys. Yeah. Uh, I also learned about the MACD, and I think I'm going to be incorporating it in my next live stream. Incorporating the MACD, moving average, uh, to see to this trade and see how it turned out. Yes, and I also try to incorporate the Bulliga band. Some talked about the Bulliga band in our community. I told you, you're missing a lot. If you're not in this community, you are really missing a whole lot. So yes. Uh-huh. So okay, let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. Sorry about my voice. I don't know. I've been talking all through today. I've been saying, I've been talking. So yeah, just help me manage it. Help me manage it. I know it's not really good enough. Sorry. Can I also even suggest to me what I can take to clear this hitch? I don't know. I don't know. So yep, yep. I think I've said a lot of insightful things in this live. You can also drop in the comment section if you want me to say other things, more things. Maybe you have a little bit. Then I'm going to look through the comments and choose and select the ones or the topic I'm going to talk about on that project maker. So yes, if it's a trading, how to analyze to some extent the market. I didn't even really talk about my trading strategies here in this live, probably even in my past live streams. But I think I'm going to be talking about that in my next live stream. So just stay tuned, yeah. Stay tuned. So if you're new, stay tuned. Just watch out for my next live and always try to engage. Always remember to engage. Don't forget to always engage. You like, you subscribe, you drop a very positive comment, an engaging comment. Drop a positive comment in the comment section below. It's not easy doing what I do, guys. It's not really, it's not really easy. It's not easy at all. Sorry. I just had to. I just had to. So yeah, and if you're still having some doubts, a lot of doubts, I always say do your own research. Do your own research. This is not like a financial advice, but do your own research and see for yourself. Do for your own research. Yes. So do your own research. Always do your own research. Take out the time to check out, to to scrutinize and check. Yeah, everything is out there. You can check out on Twitter Space to see for yourself. You have your app. You have the BingX here. You can check out. You can. These are interpretations. These candlesticks are interpretations. They're telling us something. Each movement is telling us something. Each candlestick is telling us what is happening in the market. That's how I see trading from the aspect. I feel this as a language, just like if you're an engineering student. You should be able to know that. If I don't know if you guys are familiar with technical drawings or something like that, so or interpretations of plan, those plans that you see, for instance, a building engineer, those plans that you see are languages that they interpret. Those plans are languages. Those plans, those drawings are languages. Same is applicable in the crypto space. These things you see here are languages. They're telling us something that is happening at one point or the other. Each of them, those movements telling us something, those pips telling us something, those structures telling us something, and it's always good that you be a good interpreter as to interpret, that's understand what is really happening. Yes, what is really happening. Just like we respond to when we are being talked to, when we are conversing. Just the same way we respond to languages is the same way we should be responding to the trading market. So if you don't know how to actually speak the trading language, don't speak the crypto language, you can join the Mecca community, connect with professional traders, learn. Don't be too prideful. Don't be. It does not take anybody anywhere being prideful. If you know that you are ignorant or something, accept that you are ignorant. You don't know it, and they're going to put you through. They're going to hold you by the hand and take you through all the things you don't know. So, yeah. And with this notion, I'll be ending this live with this notion, and uh, let's keep supporting Project Mecca. Let's keep supporting Project Mecca. I'm speaking on those that are the believers of Project Mecca, on the believers of MEA Token. Uh, we are already building an ecosystem, and an ecosystem is very beautiful. It's a place that you will really love to be, that you will never want to miss out on. So yes, with that note, I'll be ending this live, and I'll probably come our next live stream to show you how this trade data ended and how it turned out. So yes, I don't want to waste much of your time. I don't want to, you get me. So I want to really bore you with a lot of talks and talks and talks. Yeah. So uh, I wish you guys a great day. Do have a great day, and see you in my next live stream. Let's keep building. Let's keep building. Let's keep getting better. Thank you very much for watching. And I still remain P for Spire. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a positive comment. I always emphasize leave a positive comment. That's how community growth starts from. That's how connection starts from. That's how innovation starts from. From the little things. It's not going to cost you anything to drop. If you find this live stream very insightful, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. I see you guys in my next stream.